I'm Daniel Kowall.
And I'm Tali Kowall.
We're with Kowall Boutique Real Estate and eXp Realty. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We hope you really enjoy the information we provide. And Tali, lead it off.
Yeah, stay tuned to listen for our March 2023 real estate market update for the city of Calgary. We are here with our March 2023 real estate market update for the city of Calgary. Stick around to hear what has happened with inventory, demand, and more. Inventory improved only slightly compared to last month, and the February levels remain to be the lowest seen in February since 2006. Higher lending rates are impacting sales activity as expected, but what we are seeing is further pullback in new listings. This is keeping supply levels low and supporting higher than expected monthly pricing gains. Low inventory paired with regular demand drives prices up, but the market that we are currently in is low inventory paired with higher than usual demand. If we do not see an increase in supply, we will see further upward pressure on prices. But how does this translate into the market and what we have been seeing? February 2023 total sales volume saw a 51% decrease compared to this time last year, and the number of new listings saw a 48% decrease. But the benchmark home price increased over 1.5%. Let's elaborate.
Thanks, Tali. That's great insight on where the market currently stands. And while supply continues to remain a challenge relative to demand, high lending rates have continued to impact the affordable segment. It continues to impact budgets and keep affordability down. In fact, in the row townhouse segment, prices have actually reached a new high this month due to the increased demand in this category. For row townhouses in February, actually the new benchmark price was $369,700, which is actually a year-over-year gain of 9%. In the apartment segment, we are seeing a similar trend. The tight market conditions paired with persistently strong sales compared to listings has contributed to upward pressure on prices. In February for apartments, the unadjusted benchmark price has actually reached $286,000, which is up 11% year over year. In the detached home segment, we've seen a little bit of an uptick in inventory for February, but they're still amongst all-time lows we've ever seen for this segment. And as a result of this low inventory, the benchmark price continues to rise in the detached segment. In fact, we are currently at $635,900 as a benchmark price for detached homes. However, this is still below the peak that was reported in May 2022. While supply continues to remain a challenge versus demand for lower priced homes, we are actually seeing conditions shift into more balanced territory for homes that are $700,000 and up. So that ends our market report for the month of March. And I just want to summarize the whole report because in the city of Calgary, we definitely are seeing, as we discussed, low inventory markets and a high degree of demand due to pent-up demand as well as high degrees of migration to Calgary and Alberta. So this is also paired with the spring market, which is also a cyclical year in Calgary. This is the strongest time in terms of real estate sales in our market. So all these conditions combined make it a prime opportunity for selling your property. So if you are looking to sell, make sure you get in touch with us immediately because this is the opportunity and the time to sell to maximize on these conditions. But just make sure you have your goals in alignment because you don't want to sell if you don't have a plan afterwards. You want to make sure you know where you're going. If you're upsizing, downsizing, leaving the city, leaving the country, whatever, just make sure you have a good goal in place. And if you're buying, it's still a good time to buy because as we can continue to see low inventory levels, this is putting upward pressure on prices as we discussed. And if you wait longer to buy, you will pay more for your property at a later date. So these can still be challenging conditions for buyers with low inventory, but allow us to help you. We know how to navigate these markets. We know how to navigate multiple offer conditions, and we know how to find properties that maybe you can't find, such as off-market properties or properties that won't be visible to everyone. So if you need help in any of these situations, please get in touch with us immediately. I hope you love this YouTube video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, feel free to give us a like and subscribe below if you want to see market updates, property tours, or anything going on in the real estate Calgary market. And yeah, as always, you can get in touch with us through phone, email, as well as Instagram, and also check out our website. That's all. Thanks for watching.